This chef hat package is based on the famous chef headwear that can be seen on the cooking shows. The hat is perfect for men and women. This asset is perfect for leisure time characters or 3D printing enthusiasts. Our chef hat package is fully customizable. The template included in the package allows you to add your own custom color options. It was designed for a standard height figures, 186 cm, in Cinema 4D and Zbrush. This package is ideal for game assets, illustration and animation. It's sized for standard figures in Unity, Poser or Daz Studio. I've broken the model down into its basic components for ease of customization. This chef hat package can be used in a variety of programs. I've included the file formats: 3ds, TFX, OBJ, Medium, and High, FBX, Max, STL, ZTL, C4D, 3D Coat. The package offers textures and 2 files. The mesh comes in high and medium polygon options to fit your needs. The 3ds Max version and the Cinema 4D version allow for mesh smoothing. Textures are included in 2048 by 2048 for clear resolution. The package includes the following maps: diffuse, normal, Fresnel, reflectance, roughness. The package is presented in zip format. This requires an unzipping tool which most computers have as standard application. Use the appropriate format into your favorite 3D modeling program and customize the textures. The text folder contains the textures that come with these models. The chef hat package models come UV mapped along with a handy bitmap template from which to lay out your own textures. Feel free to drop your suggestions to me for both realistic and fantasy style headgear. Be sure to check out the other models in my gallery. I'm always adding more models, so check back regularly. Just click on my username.